Sometimes, boo boo kitties, you have to remind yourself of who you are and why you're such a badass and why you are a force to be reckoned with. So, I told y'all yesterday in yesterday's upload, YouTube was getting on my nerves because I was having a bit of difficulties uploading. So what I decided to do was just to remind myself that I am her. I've always been her. I will forever be her. There is one and only moi. So I decided to go back on some of my highlights and my achievements these past 2 years. These views and analytics are from 2022 and 2023. So being that this is 2024, I'm going to go beast mode. So right into this video, boo boo kitties. So as you can see here, I am in Canva and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a video resume for your UGC portfolio or for your PR media kit, and how to make an effective video resume so that you don't have to constantly cut. You can just do your entire video resume in one easy shot within 60 seconds. So make sure that you don't forget to click that link down below so that you can get your free downloadable link for this UGC portfolio template, where you can just literally just delete, drag and drop your own pictures, your own graphics, XYZ. Yesterday I mentioned that because it was a tutorial, you couldn't see the playback button, so I'm just demonstrating this here for you now today. And this is the video resume that we are speaking of today, okay? Now, you're not going to be able to hear the audio of this video resume until the end of this video, so I need you to stick around until the end of this video. But I did this video resume in one shot. This is basically highlighting my personality, some key points within my career, what I am able to do, what skill sets I have, which would make me the perfect fit for the next UGC campaign or brand or business that reaches out to me. And this is something that you want to include. You want to highlight why you are the go-to UGC creator. And once again, you don't have to put this video resume in your portfolio, but I think this is great for people who are beginners, you're aspiring UGC creators. If you have already had experience editing videos, whether you've uploaded them, if you have maybe a course that you've taken in the past, if photography or videography or video editing was one of your majors in high school or college, you can definitely highlight that in your video resume. So this is why I feel like this is great opposed to an actual written resume. And for those of you who are new to my channel, boo boo kitties, make sure that you stay until the end of the video so that you can see the video resume that is in my portfolio. And just demonstrating, once again, yesterday you couldn't see this playback button here, but this is what I was speaking about in regards to when brands and businesses receive my portfolio link. They're able to just click the videos, they're able to click the videos, XYZ. But make sure that you subscribe to your girl's channel, because y'all, I am going to indubitably reach my goal, okay, where my channel is going to be monetized by Google AdSense. Okay, period. So yes, just kind of showing you guys once again, do not forget to click that link in the description box, you guys, so that you can start creating your UGC video resume. Now, how did I create my UGC video resume in one shot? I use this app called TELEPROMPTER. Y'all, when I say that this is a life changer when it comes to my YouTube videos, when it comes to video resumes, any type of videos that I want to create, this is a game changer. So you're going to go into new script, but I'm just going to use a script that I've already curated. So you literally just type up whatever script that you'd like. And what you're going to do here, I'm not going to show my face, boo boo kitties, because I really want you to focus on the text. Well, not this text, but just to see how this app works. And you're going to press the red button to record, and then you're going to press the blue button start, so that the text can begin to appear on the screen as news reporters, people who are doing the Grammys and Oscars. This is what they're reading. They're reading off of a teleprompter. You can kind of scroll and toggle this little dot here towards the rabbit or towards the turtle so they can go slower. And then all you do once you finish your video, you save the video. And as you can see here, there's no text over your face. It just will show you speaking eloquently without any type of but, this, that, and the third, because that is something that people struggle with when they are speaking in front of the camera. That'll probably be my next video tomorrow. We'll see. But yes, using the teleprompter app is how I created this video here. A video editor, creative strategist, storyteller, all in one. And that's why I'm a great fit for your next UGC campaign. Hi, I'm Ryan, the girl with the guy's name, and I'm based in New Jersey and New York, and your future self joined forces with me to create compelling and creating video ads, both organic and paid media. When it comes to UGC, my content sees no limits. I built my career not only in front of the camera, but behind the camera, creating content that's authentic, engaging, relatable, and need I say, unique. Whether it's skincare, fitness, lifestyle, self-care, fashion, beauty, hair, or travel, creating high converting content that anticipates, excites, and engages viewers while increasing brand visibility is what I do best. Consider this a heads up from your future self, letting you know if you work with the girl with the guy's name, you can expect content to resonate with your viewers, drive results for your brand, and have lots of fun doing so.